This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable websites from using your camera on the Google Chrome web browser. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. To enable or disable websites from using your camera, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, down toward the bottom, you want to click on Site Settings. Then you'll scroll down just a little ways to where you see the Permissions section. And in the Permissions section, right here, Camera, by default it's probably set to Sites can ask to use your camera, but if you click on that, Default Behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. By default, the top one's probably toggled on. Sites can ask to use your camera. The bottom one, if you toggle that one on, don't allow sites to use your camera. One other thing to check for is customized behavior. There may be certain websites that's customized that will override the default behavior. Like if you look at mine, Snapchat is not allowed to use my camera. If you don't recognize any of the websites in there, you could always click on the trash can to just delete them, and then the websites will have to follow whatever you have listed up here. That is how to enable or disable websites from using your camera on the Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching.